होल्ड करूं उसके लिए मुझे चाहिए बॉन्ड. क्या चाहिए? So if we suppose there is this atom and there is another atom, so there has this electron. This electron is in repulsive force इनके बीच में है. Second, यहाँ ये दो electrons हैं इनके बीच में भी repulsive force हैं. That means there are three kinds of repulsive force. यानी repulsive force यहाँ तीन है. One is between two electrons, between two nucleus, that is protons, and between two electrons. That means here are three repulsive forces. ठीक है, तो force यहाँ तीन repulsive. Now, if we look for this keenly, we'll observe some kinds of like यहाँ attractive force भी है. This has to be in the attraction with this. यहाँ इसके साथ में attraction, that is this electron is in attraction with this nucleus, that's proton. This electron with this, and that electron with this proton. Therefore, there are four kinds of attractive forces. तो चार attractive forces है यहाँ. If there, अच्छा इसके लिए condition याद रखनी है. Condition क्या है? Condition has to be this. ये condition होनी चाहिए. Condition is that there has to be more attractive forces than repulsive forces. Then the bond will exist. तो bond तभी exist करेगा once we are having more attractive force between two atoms, between two entities. Then we can consider this is a bond. और उसके बाद